Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Square to HubSpot easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. In the top right corner, click on the settings icon. On the left sidebar, scroll down to find and select integrations. In the Integrations menu, click on More Integrations. Now, search for Square. Click on the Square integration when it appears in the results. Next, click on the Connect App button. A new window will prompt you to log into your Square account. Enter your Square account email and password. After logging in, grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to connect. Once connected, you will be redirected back to HubSpot. Here, you can configure your Square settings. Choose which data you want to sync between Square and HubSpot. You can select options for contacts, transactions, and sales data. After making your selections, click on Save to apply the changes. To ensure the integration is working, create a test transaction in Square. Monitor your HubSpot account to see if the data syncs correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Square to HubSpot. This integration will help streamline your sales process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.